This is Pioneer's GM-D9701 car stereo Class D mono power amplifier. The GM-D9701 has a maximum power output rating of 2,400 watts and a nominal power output rating of 1,200 watts RMS into one channel. The amplifier includes a wired bass boost remote control and has a variable low-pass filter built in. The Pioneer GM-D9701 is a mono output amplifier and is designed to operate from an 8 ohm load to a 1 ohm load. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. We're going to flip this over and open this up. Let's see here. All right, the first thing we have here is a kind of a hardware pack. And inside this hardware pack, first thing we have is the wired bass remote control. This is the bass boost remote. You can see this is a very slim knob that can be mounted under the dash or somewhere. You won't bang your knee getting in and out of the vehicle with it. Next up, we have the wire for the bass boost remote. So one end of this plugs into the amplifier, the other end plugs into the bass boost remote under your dash or wherever you choose to install it. Next up, we have the speaker level to RCA adapter. So if you're using speaker level input, you'll use this adapter to change it into an RCA input and send your signal into the amplifier. Let's see, we have some install screws. There's some install screws. And we have the tool for connecting the speaker wires and the power wires and so forth on the amplifier. All right, what else do we have? Here is the owner's manual and the warranty card. And let's pull the amplifier up out of here. There we go. This is Pioneer's GM-D9701 car stereo Class D mono power amplifier. The GM-D9701 has a maximum power output rating of 2,400 watts and a nominal power output rating of 1,200 watts RMS into one channel. On the left side of the Pioneer GM-D9701 is the power indicator right here. Here are the signal output and input RCAs. The RCA input can be connected directly to the RCA outputs of an in-dash receiver or by using the included speaker level to RCA adapter. The amplifier will automatically detect the type of signal. The RCA output seen here can be used to send the input signal to an additional power amplifier. Here is the gain control. If using a Pioneer in-dash receiver with 2 volt RCA outputs, set the gain control to the normal position. If using a Pioneer in-dash receiver with 4 volt RCA outputs, set the gain control to the H position. The GM-D9701 has a built-in variable crossover, also called a low-pass filter. This makes sure only low frequencies are played by the connected subwoofer. If you choose to use the bass boost remote control included with the amplifier, the connection cable plugs in right here. On the right side of the GM-D9701, you can attach the ground cable right here. This is the system remote control terminal. Attach the system remote control to the blue-white wire on the back of your Pioneer in-dash receiver. This will switch the amplifier on and off with the in-dash receiver. In many cases, when using speaker level signal input, the amplifier will detect the signal input and automatically switch on and off with the in-dash receiver. In this case, the system remote control connection is not required. The positive terminal connects directly to the positive terminal on the vehicle's battery. During installation, I strongly recommend to properly fuse the amplifier power wire within 18 inches of the battery. Here are 3 fuses. Each fuse is 40 amps. The speaker outputs here connect directly to the woofer or woofers in the car audio system. Normal operation is from 8 to 1 ohm impedance. When wiring multiple woofers together, the combined woofer impedance shown to the amplifier must be 1 ohm or higher. Both of the speaker outputs seen here are mono outputs. And that is Pioneer's GM-D9701 and what's in the box.